Hey sweet angels, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I just sat down to edit this video and realized that I didn't actually film an intro, so here we are. Today I was going to be showing you a review of Glossier makeup, but it kind of just turned into like a demo slash makeup tutorial. But it's still cool because I feel like every time I watch a Glossier makeup tutorial, it's on girls with perfect skin, and my skin is very far from that. So if you've ever wondered how Glossier makeup performs on like an acne slash eczema skin type, I'm your girl. Keep watching. Okay guys, before we get started with the makeup tutorial slash review slash whatever the heck this video is going to be, I just want to mention that this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry. So they are a New York jewelry company that offer really, I'm going to say cheap, but I don't want you to think that that's tacky. They're really affordable gold jewelry. So you guys always ask me about my gold hoops. I've been wearing these Ana Luisa ones for about maybe a month now. These ones are by far my favorite because they're actually solid gold, except they literally cost like a third of what they would if I went into a store and got solid gold. And the reason I like solid gold for these kind of earrings is because I wear them every day, as you guys know. And if they're not solid gold, let me just show you what happens to them. I don't know if you guys can see, but these are my most recent pair before I got these ones. So they're a bit smaller, but look, they're kind of like the shape is not round anymore. They've got dints in them. I'm just gonna show you how easily they bend as well. Oh. Anyway, I wasn't gonna wear those ever again. Seriously, if you wear them every day, and I even sleep in them, they do get, if they're not solid gold, they do get kind of kinks and stuff in them. So now I wear these and I have literally no problem. They do have different sizes as well. They've got like smaller ones. These are the extra large ones because I like to be bougie. And I'm also wearing these two rings. It's the Olivia ring, which is this little gold ball one. And then I've got the sun ring, which I feel like they look really nice stacked together. And then my last piece that I got was this necklace. It's just called the small bull chain necklace. It's really, really delicate and fine, and I love that when I'm looking for jewelry. Oh, my dad's calling me. Be right back. Hey Dad. Good, thanks. How are you? Okay, that's done. So the reason I love this kind of jewelry is I feel like you can wear it every day, which is one of Ana Luisa's like biggest principles. Say everyday luxury, which is so true. I never thought I'd be wearing gold jewelry, but it's actually really affordable. So that's great. Another awesome thing is that it's all recycled gold. That's what keeps it so cheap. And all the pieces are individually handcrafted, and they all have a 1-year warranty. So if anything does happen, like if these ever did get kinks, which they won't, but if they ever did, I could get my money back or get a refund or something like that. What actually is a warranty? I don't know. And last but not least, which I think this is the coolest thing, is that a lot of the jewelry is designed by artists that worked for Gucci and Louis Vuitton, brands like that, so that's pretty funky. So, you know, you can probably see why I wanted to work with Ana Luisa when they reached out. I was seriously frothing at the opportunity. I will leave the link in the description box below, and I think I have a discount code, and if I do, you'll see it below the link to the website anyway. So definitely go and check Ana Luisa out if you are like me and want to wear gold jewelry but are too poor, because you might not be too poor for this. Just go and check it out. Anyway, let's get started with the video now. So I'm going to leave my hair down because it's oily enough that it's staying in place without a hair tie. Starting out with Glossier's Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G8. This does not make my skin look perfect. Bit misleading there, Glossier. I just like to put it on my hand and then use a brush to apply it. This is the It Cosmetics dual-ended brush. I just made that name up, but I'm guessing it's called that because it's got 2 ends. So as you can see, it adds seriously the tiniest bit of coverage, but their concealer that I'm going to go in with next adds a lot of coverage. But I really, really love this for just every day when I don't really want to wear much makeup. Next up, I'm going in with the Stretch Concealer, and this is also in the shade G8. See how full coverage it is? The only thing is, I don't know why I didn't buy a setting powder, because normally I don't need to set things, but this concealer is quite creamy and it stays like oily. And then I'm just gonna brighten up my under eyes with this concealer as well. I love it for under my eyes. How's that? That is a high coverage concealer. It's so perfect because it still looks like my skin, but you know, I'm just hiding my flaws a little bit while also embracing them. I haven't put heaps on. All right, let's add some color into this face. I have the Glossier Cloud Paint, and this is in the shade Beam. I love, love, love this so much. Warning, it is highly pigmented, so I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheeks just to start off with, and then build it from there if I need to. I didn't get a bronzer. I don't know if they had a bronzer there, so I'm just gonna apply this across the whole portion of my cheekbone. And I'm gonna go over my nose a little bit too, because I feel like that makes it look a little bit more like skin. Super cute, super fresh. Next up, we've got highlighter. I have the Dew Effect highlighter in the shade Quartz. This isn't actually what I asked for when I went into store, but she gave me this and I'm not mad about it. I asked for the different highlighter, but I forgot what it was now. It was so long ago and you guys have been so patient with me while I have tried to upload this. It's so weird because I feel like I haven't actually put that much on at all and it's taken me no time. But looking at my skin, I feel like you wouldn't really know that I'm suffering so much acne and eczema underneath. That is the aim of the game, baby. What is that sticking out there? Oh. All right, now we're going to move on to brows. This is my favorite Glossier product. It is the Glossier Boy Brow. You can see it is well loved. And my brows are a bit horrendous right now, but that's all right. I feel like Glossier loves horrendous brows. Again, brush backwards and with a big one. Oh my god. Huh. All right, let's not look at that brow anymore. Next we have the Lid Star, and this is in the color Cove. It's very natural. I just put it straight onto my eyelid and I go in twice because I want a little bit more coverage than what this gives me with one doe foot. I just pat it in with my finger. Gives off a beautiful glossy lid effect. There we go. Next I'm gonna add it's an eyeliner pencil. It's called the Color Slide and it's in the shade Brack, which I'm guessing is brown black. I'm gonna run that all across my lash line. So now I'm just going to go like that and make sure that it smokes out into the liquid eyeshadow we just put on. And even if it looks really messy, we are gonna put mascara on, so don't stress. Okay, so I didn't actually get a Glossier mascara. I don't really know why. So we're just gonna go in with the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which is my fave. I'm going in with this Vinylic lip and it's in the color Pony. I love this. It makes my lips look really plump. And then apply it. I think because of the applicator, it's really easy to kind of overline without looking crazy. And then as it wears off, it kind of stays on that area that you've overlined. So it creates kind of a shadow. All right, that is our faces done, guys. I hope that you liked this tutorial. Don't forget that I do have Ana Luisa's link down in the description box below. Please do check it out. I was really, really excited to collaborate with Ana Luisa because, as you guys know, I love gold jewelry, but I'm also a broke bitch. So thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for collaborating on this video with me. And I will see all of you guys next week for another video. Please let me know if you liked this kind of new style video because I feel like I really want to start putting out content that I'm proud of and I haven't really been lately. So I'll see you guys soon. Love you. Mwah. Bye.